Hello guys, welcome to your channel Coding Skulls. As you all know, we are making the list of top 10 most amazing vehicles in the world. So today we are presenting the top 10 fastest cars in the world till 2020. The fastest cars, which means the fastest production cars in the world. So tighten up your seatbelts and lighten up your wallet. Here are the top 10 fastest cars in the world till 2020. In a wonderful combination, the DBS Superleggera incorporates the finest of traditional Aston Martins. Such a velocity because of 715 horsepower, 5.2 liter twin turbo V12 engine. The Superleggera. Drive it on some twisty highways, and if challenging, the DBS in rewarding to ride swiftly. So, as of it is standing in the 10th position, the top speed of this car is 210.8 miles per hour and 333.3 kilometers per hour. The acceleration derives 0 to 100 in just 3.4 seconds. The price of this car includes approx $3 lakh, which means $3 lakh, such a huge price. In number 9, we have Chevrolet Corvette 220 C8ZR1. The 2020 model is 213 miles per hour Chevrolet Corvette, which is just amazing. The C8ZR1 is the most aggressive version of the Corvette, like the preceders. Its top street speed, which is measured, is 213.5 miles per hour, which is 343 kilometers per hour. The acceleration to 0 to 100 is only in just 3.9 seconds. The price of this car includes 1.5 lakhs. The dollars, 1.5 lakh dollars. In number 8, we have Ford GT 2018, the GT model, equipped with V6 with 647 horsepower. This car's top speed indicates 216 miles per hour, which is 348 kilometers per hour, and its acceleration about 3.3 seconds only to 100. Its price starts from $450,000. 7. We have the Formula 1 based sports car, which is Mercedes-AMG Project 1. It has a rear engine all-wheel drive vehicle driven by 1.6 liter V6 petrol engine like that of Mercedes-AMG Formula 1 car, and as it is expected to launch in this year, as the top speed recorded is 350 kilometers per hour. Its acceleration goes 0 to 100 in just 3 seconds, and its base price started from $2.7 million, which is huge amount. In number 6, the unmistakable Lamborghini DNA, the Aventador SV. It is the purest version of the Lamborghini to date, with enhanced power, reduced weight, improved aerodynamics, and advanced technologies. The dynamic superiority and outstanding riding precision. Aventador's popularity among the general public is too high. Almost all online car racing games feature it since its release. Top speeds 352 km per hour. Acceleration goes in just 2.7 seconds, and the base starting price is $550,000. Now we are in a supercar zone. This updated P1 GTR provides an amazing horsepower, more than the standard P1 and the legendary McLaren F1. While being lighter, after striving some modern luxuries, one of the most powerful cars ever to enter in a public road, bearing in mind that the monster P1 GTR can set you back. Don't assume this road leaguer car to be a bargain. With a 3.8 litre twin turbocharger V8 and an electric motor behind your head producing 986 horsepower. Coupled with the capacity to achieve the maximum speed in a manner to a maximum speed of 225 miles per hour, 362 km per hour. The acceleration goes on 0 to 100 kilometers in just 2.9 seconds, and the base price starts from $4.6 million. In number 4, the Koenigsegg CCX edition. If the list of the world's speediest cars was not for street legals, a super sports car from Koenigsegg named Agera RS would be in the top 3 list. The model CCX has the same DNA and supporting some cars modification to follow, of course, the US car laws. Start preparing for all the exotic hypercar by paying the cost. Supercars from Koenigsegg are some world's most costly vehicles to own. Of course, overall from Koenigsegg, the CCX was a significant model that eventually supported the Swedish firm to create the Agera and the One, the supercar Koenigsegg One. The Koenigsegg CCX models can achieve the speed of 225 miles per hour, which is 362 kilometers per hour. Its acceleration goes from 0 to 100 in just 3.2 seconds, and its base price, of course, starts from $4.6 million, as it is Koenigsegg. In number 3, we have SSC Toyota. SSC North America company has confirmed the news that we have been waiting for since 2011. The 1750 horsepower, potentially 300 miles per hour Toyota sports car is now in production. The Toyota is driven by 5.9 litre twin turbo V8 developed by the Shelby Supercars. Top street speed noted in 225 miles, 362 kilometers per hour. Acceleration goes in just 3.2 seconds, and the base price starts from $2 million. In second position, the beast Bugatti Chiron. Yes, it is in second number. If not limited to this car's safety, the beast doesn't have any limits and it is beyond its list. So, the Bugatti Chiron, powered by a Chiron Sports, as a result, Chiron by the same 1479 horsepower 8 litre quad turbocharger W16 engine, but it carries 40 pounds lighter, making it a little faster. How much is it faster? Can't say, but noted as 420 kilometers per hour, the top street speed it has gone. Acceleration from 0 to 100 has in just 2.5 seconds, and the base price from $3 million. On a technical level, the Hennessy Venom GT is the fastest production car in the world. The Hennessy Venom GT was evaluated by only approved the numbers. A twin turbocharged 7-liter V8 engine drives the vehicle, which is closely molded by the Lotus Exide. With a maximum speed, of course, it has speed, with a maximum speed of 270 miles per hour, which is approx 450 kilometers per hour. Its acceleration goes to from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. And the base price starts from $1.2 million. So, would you like our list or not? Please comment below. Keep watching, and for upcoming top 10 videos, do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.